How to set up mail on iPhone, IMAP and SMTP over SSL? Here's how to do it on iOS 16. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Mail. Then tap on Accounts. Next, tap on Add Account and select Other. Now tap Add Mail Account and enter your name, email address, password, and a description for the account. Then tap on Next. If your iPhone doesn't automatically find the email settings, select IMAP at the top. Under Incoming Mail Server, enter your email provider's IMAP hostname, username, and password. Then, under Outgoing Mail Server, enter your provider's SMTP hostname, username, and password. Make sure your email provider's required SSL settings and port numbers are used for both incoming and outgoing mail. Once everything is entered correctly, tap Next and wait for your iPhone to verify the account. After verification is complete, tap Save. Now open the Mail app and check your inbox. You can also send a test email to make sure SMTP is working correctly. And that's it. Your email account is now set up on your iPhone using IMAP and SMTP over SSL. If this tutorial helped, like the video, subscribe, and check out more iPhone tips and tutorials.